What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to talk about the green figures. Let's go for a quick review and let's see how the project is doing. Okay guys, so this is a dashboard, and right here we can see that the smart contract has a total invested of 256,000 BUSD. Total investors 525. Total profit 20.4 thousand BUSD. Okay, and over here we can see my dashboard. So this is the investor dashboard. Okay, over here is where you invest. Over here is where you approve, and over here is where you invest. And since last time I posted a video about the project, okay, they've made a few changes. They added a few stuff to the project, which is cool. Okay, so over here we can see the weekly reports. So if you hover over the bar, we can see how much they made on the previous week. Okay, so this is a Forex exchange, so they only trade Monday to Friday. Okay, Saturday and Sundays. So Saturdays is where the team will bring the funds to the TVL, and if you decided to claim or compound, that's when you do it. And then on Sunday they will take the funds back to the Forex trading, and then they will perform trades from Monday to Friday and repeat the cycle. Okay, over here we can see how much they made in the past week. So 10% the past week so far. So today is the Wednesday the 21st, and so far they've made 1.52%. Okay guys, this project doesn't have a fixed daily APR. Okay, so it depends on how good they make the trades. Okay, if they have good trades, you know that the profits will go up. If they have bad trades, the profit will go down. Simple as that. Scrolling further down, we can see the referral links. You can see the referral list. And scrolling further down, even further down, we can see the investment history. So we can see when I made my first investment. We can see the profit earned history, and we can see the profit claim history. Scrolling further down, we can see that over here we can withdraw the initial capital, and when they launch the project, you would have to wait up to 28 days to receive your refund. But now it will take you up to 8 days. Okay, so it can take 8 days, can take 6 days, can take 1 day. It depends. Okay, guys, but it will take you within 8 days, which is good to see. All you gotta do is hit request. So if you don't want to request your withdrawal, you just cancel it. Okay, and let it roll. Okay, right now I've just let it roll with my 100 bucks, and let's see how far this thing will go. Okay, and if you want to check the live trades, you can come over here, hit the live trades. Will take you to this page right here. Okay, where we can see the dashboard. Over here we got stats. So the balance is 260,000, equity 246. The highest has been 263, which is right now. Okay, so the profits 24.9k. Okay, over here we can see the daily gains 0.84, monthly gains 27.76%. Drawdown, I don't really know what drawdown is. I will have to do a little bit of research about Forex, because again, I never trade Forex, so I'm not really sure what drawdown means. Okay, but yes, as far as I can see, guys, the project is doing well. Right over here we can see the growth, we can see the balance, because more and more investors coming in. Okay, and the team will use investors' money and probably their profits to generate more profits. Over here we can see the profits, how much they've been performing, how much they've been making, etc. Okay, scrolling down, we can see the daily profits or daily gains. Okay, daily statistics, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Okay, so we got everything over here. Over here you can see the trades, we can see the winning rate. So the winning rate is 80% win, 20% loss, which is really good. See, these guys are doing a really good job. Okay, as you know, trading, we cannot win all the time. There will be some losses, okay? As long as they have stop losses in place, you know, we shall be fine. And over here we can see the open trades, history, and all sorts. Okay, guys, so I'm not really gonna go into deep about these trades because you know, anyone can see. All they gotta do is just come to the website and you can see everything for yourself. Okay, so that being said, guys, the green figures is doing what it's supposed to do, and yes, I am pleased with that. So far, so I've deposited 100 bucks and I've withdraw 13 point excuse me, 13.3. So that means I'm 13% ROI. So my game is just claim for now. Just claim until I ROI. So once I ROI, I will compound 1 week, claim another week, compound, claim, compound, and claim. But you know, everybody has their own strategy. So don't do what I do. Do what is convenient to you. Okay, guys? That being said, the link in the description is a referral link. Okay, so if you want to use my referral link, I'll appreciate that. If you don't, no problem. I'm just here to share my crypto journey with y'all and show you how Green Figures is doing. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.